The Lost Song of the Firefly Forest. In the heart of a whispering wood, nestled beneath star-dusted leaves, lay Firefly Forest. Once it gleamed like a galaxy fallen to earth, its fireflies twirling and pulsating in a symphony of light. But that was before the melody dimmed, the fireflies fading to mere shadows, and the forest plunging into an uneasy gloom. Flick, a brave young firefly with a lantern heart, couldn't bear the silence. She longed for the days when dancing sparks painted the leaves silver and laughter echoed through the trees. So, with a flicker of determination in her wings, she sought out Glimmer, a grumpy glowworm known for his gruffness and grudges, and who, quite frankly, preferred the darkness.
"We need the lost song,"
Flick declared, her light trembling with hope.
"The song that awakened our magic, that painted the night with starlight. We must find it, Glimmer, or Firefly Forest will forever be lost."
Glimmer scoffed, his bioluminescence sputtering with annoyance. "Lost songs are best left lost," he grumbled, "especially when they bring trouble along with their tunes." But Flick's pleas, like tiny sparks, ignited a flicker of sympathy in his dusty heart. With a grudging sigh, he agreed to journey with her, their mismatched glow casting a wavering path through the darkened woods. Their quest led them past slumbering owls with grumpy hoots, and playful spiders who spun glittery webs to catch moonlight. They faced riddles from wise tree spirits and dodged grumpy beetles who guarded ancient secrets. Glimmer, despite his grumpiness, proved surprisingly adept at deciphering coded bark markings and navigating tangled vine bridges. Flick, in turn, used her tiny spark to light their way and distract grumpy guardians with dazzling dance moves. After days of peril and prickly pear pie, a surprisingly tasty travel snack, they reached the Whispering Glade, a place where forgotten melodies lingered on the wind. There, beneath a moonlit waterfall, a lone butterfly with wings woven from moonbeams hummed a mournful tune. It was the lost song, once vibrant and joyous, now filled with sorrow and fear. As Flick listened, she realized the fireflies' magic had faded because they forgot how to sing. They had grown fearful of the dark, their own inner light dimmed by neglect. With a shaky but determined voice, Flick joined the butterfly song, filling it with courage and hope. Glimmer, touched by her bravery, chimed in with a low, earthy hum, the two lights blending into a harmonious melody. The waterfall shimmered, the glade blossomed with starlight, and the lost song soared through the air. Soon, fireflies flickered like scattered stars, their tiny lanterns rekindled. Firefly Forest danced once more, bathed in the light of a renewed song. Flick and Glimmer, weary but triumphant, watched the joyful reunion. Glimmer even had a faint, begrudging smile playing on his luminescent face. They had not only found the lost song, they had found something more, the power of courage, the melody of friendship, and a glow of hope that burned even in the darkest of times. From that day on, Firefly Forest never forgot its song, Its melody echoed through the leaves, a reminder that even the smallest light can chase away the biggest darkness, and that sometimes the best adventures are found with the grumpiest of companions. And as for Glimmer, well, he never admitted it, but he might have even hummed along to the tune every now and then under the twinkling canopy of Firefly Forest. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now let's move on to our multiple choice questions to check your comprehension. Number 1. What happened to the fireflies in Firefly Forest? A. They all flew away to another forest. B. Their light dimmed and they lost their magic. C. They were turned into glowing mushrooms. D. They started singing a different song. Correct. Letter B. Their light dimmed and they lost their magic. Number 2. Who did Flick convince to help her find the lost song? A. A wise owl. B. A playful spider. C. A grumpy glowworm named Glimmer. D. A butterfly with moonbeam wings. Correct. Letter C. A grumpy glowworm named Glimmer. And last, number 3. What caused the fireflies to lose their magic? A. A grumpy beetle stole it. B. The moonlight disappeared. C. They forgot how to sing their song. D. Glimmer accidentally extinguished their lights. Correct. Letter C. They forgot how to sing their song. I hope you learned something from the story. Bye and see you next time.